San Francisco is home to a thriving Italian community, and we're in the heart of it, North Beach, one of the Bay Area's Little Italys. But there's nothing little about this place. With hundreds of Italian businesses, cultural associations, a heritage parade, and even a museum, this neighborhood is an epicenter of Italianness, just like a large piazza in any Italian town. This is Innovit at 710 Sansome Street, the first Italian innovation and culture hub in the world. Innovit is the new home of the Italian Culture Institute of San Francisco. Ah, bricks. Reminds me of Europe. What's an Italian Culture Institute, you ask? Well, that's what I'm here to find out. I'm Marco in a box, and this is Unboxing Italy in the Bay. In this series, we'll discover what the Italian Culture Institute does to share Italian culture with the Bay Area and beyond. Think of me as your ambassador of all things Italian.
No, Marco, ambasciatore è una carica ufficiale.
Ok. Think of me as your chaperone.
Parole francesi, meglio di no.
Giusto. Think of me as Virgil in Dante's Divine Comedy. No, eh?
A bit much.
Okay. Think of me as your host and your guide to some of the best events organized by the Institute. From film screenings to book clubs, from plays to food tastings. With some good music along the way and perhaps a few surprise appearances, who knows? Over the next few months, you'll be sitting with me in the front row, meet a few Italian film directors and authors, and we may even learn some new Italian words. Let's go unbox Italy! Make sure you hit subscribe on YouTube and follow on Instagram to be notified of upcoming episodes, and most importantly, stay up to date with all the events open to the public. The Institute also has a fantastic newsletter you should sign up for. Events, exhibitions, book recommendations, resources to learn Italian, and much more. In your inbox for free. But first things first, let me explain. The Italian Cultural Institute, Istituto Italiano di Cultura, or IIC, is an official branch of the Italian government dedicated to the promotion of the Italian language and culture in the United States. They have a global network of representatives in some of the largest cities around the world. Here in San Francisco, they work alongside the Consul General of Italy and the Italian Trade Agency. Without further ado, let's go meet the great team of people behind the Institute.
Ciao Marco, welcome to our new location, benvenuto. My name is Anna Maria Di Giorgio, I'm the director of the Italian Cultural Institute San Francisco, and here is my amazing team.
Ciao, my name is Silvia Meredo.
And I am Franca Cavallaro.
And I'm Ilaria Giacomi. Ciao.
And this is Manlio Gullotta, the accountant of the IIC, that today unfortunately is ill.
The Institute's mission is to encourage the understanding and enjoyment of Italian culture by organizing events, supporting visual arts exhibitions, promoting Italian books, movies and artists, developing international academic exchanges and local collaborations with cultural institutions. And they make us Italians living here less homesick and more connected to the motherland. I have honestly no idea how they manage to do it all. Think of the Institute as an Italian fairy godmother. Now buckle up, our journey has just begun. Follow our next episode as we unbox Italy in the Bay, one event at a time. See you next time. Ciao!